Hello and welcome back to JS Interview. In today's video, I'll be talking about hoisting in JavaScript. Hoisting is a concept. Basically, what happens is that variables declaration and function declarations are move up to the top, and that is why they become available. Even if you declare a function down at, let's say, line 10, and you try to call it at line 1, you are still able to call it because of the hoisting. Now, to better demonstrate it, I'll write some code. So let's say I try to console log a variable x. Y. How's that? It says that no such variable exists, right? Which is what you would expect, and that's what you get. Now, what do you think happens if we do this? You get undefined, which is same as doing this. So when JavaScript is about to run code, it analyzes the function or there's any code you have provided and pick all the declarations and move them to the top of the code. That is the call hoisting. That is the concept of hoisting. So one thing it moves up is the declarations, like so. Second thing it moves up is the declaration of functions, like so. I call say hi before I declared it, right? And it still works. The reason it still works is before JavaScript engine in Chrome, before it ran the code, it analyzed my code, took the function say hi, and move it to the first line in the function. So when JavaScript engine was done rearranging stuff, in reality it was like this. Now, hoisting doesn't happen if you have function like this. This will not work. So hoisting JavaScript engine only moves the declarations, not the initialization. So this will not work. You get an error. Similarly, the initial, if you do, let's say, so as we discussed, the key, this will be moved up, but only the declaration part. The initialization will stay on this line, the second line. So we will not get an error, but we will get undefined in the first console log, then we'll get 3 in the second console log. So undefined and then 3. Undefined from there and 3 from here. So the summary is hoisting is basically when declarations of variable and functions get moved up, all the way up in the scope, like the first line, and the initializations always stay where they were declared on. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you have a question, leave a comment, let me know.